guys good? Nice and loud for us.
Kindred is dedicated to providing progressive care for post-surgical joint replacement. Their patients will receive physical therapy, including aggressive ambulation training and safe transfer techniques to transition them home safely.
So did you hear some of those words that you said in there? Transition? Say that tail end of that again.
To transition them home safely?
Before that, about when you address the PT, the aggressive physical therapy.
Yeah, aggressive. Their patients will receive physical therapy, including aggressive ambulation training and safe transfer techniques.
Yeah. Safe transfer techniques. A lot of people, the first thing they say is, well, why be able to put pressure on my leg? Why be able to put full bearing on it? Why be okay when I get home? I have steps at home. You know, those are the kinds of things, as specific as you are, those are questions that are going to run through their mind before they even talk to you. Can I stand? Can I go home? I have 3 steps leading up to my bathroom. So very good, very good. How about you guys? You want to go next? Is it all on you, Kev? Come on, Kevin, boy.
Still tweaking.
All right, let's go. Let's go to our all-stars who are always ready for us. Safe and timely manner. They got the benefit in there. The features of what the patient is actually going to get when they're in when they're within Kindred. And anything else? Any comments about what they said? What their message had to say? Very good. Okay, Kev.
All right.
Let us have it.
For patients that have had a recent joint replacement surgery, Kindred offers a comprehensive rehab program that includes daily intensive therapy, precision care education, and electrical stimulation to improve strength, which are all focused to improve patient-specific outcomes.
Wow. Did you hear that? Very Henderson. He took the diagnosis. So what you guys did were you took the diagnosis, you took features, but you tailored those features to meet my needs, just like when I'm going to buy a car. Like you go to buy a car, you want to know if there's a navigation system. It's not just the outside of the car. You want to get in there and really look around at the accessories. You were very specific about the accessories. And it's just like when you go to buy a car, if nobody tells you how to enslave your Bluetooth and your phone in through Bluetooth, and you don't use any of the accessories you have, no one explains it to you, what is the value there? You don't even know you have half the stuff that you have. Very specific on your features that led to, if you were telling them, you do this, you use these specific features when you have a Kindred, your outcome is going to be that added value. That was excellent. Very good. Okay, so everybody get up. We're going to do your favorite picket fences. Don't you love it? You guys love picket fences, don't you? I do. You're with me.
Oh, okay.
You're not allowed to not like picket fence. Okay, guys, so everybody up. Let's go. If you're 1 or 2, go back to where you are. If you were 1, you're still 1. If you were 2, you're 2. Our role plays are going to surround. The first one's going to surround cardiac. So you had your messages, you wrote them down on a piece of paper.
Okay.
Now you're actually going to go. You're actually going to go in and meet. You okay? Judy's coming.
What are you guys doing?
I think that Gabby's one.
I lost one.
We'll have to wait for Gabby. Tim can step in.
I'll step in.
All right, so 1s are going to be 1s, 2s are going to be 2. The rule is we're going to have the 1s be, where's our 1s at? Which side is our 1s? 1's on one side.
Oh, Tim is,
My hands.
yeah, Tim switches.
Flip flop.
There you go. Yeah, there you go.
All right,
Switcher.
so this side's going to be the CLs. This side's going to be the case managers. We're talking about you're going to do a full sales call surrounding the cardiac services, just like you did on paper. Only now you're going to put it alive, face to face in your conversations. We'll give you a few minutes. So on 3, 1, 2, 3, hit it.
Nice to meet you. Well, thank you. Tell me about the consultation. A little bit.
we do have a specific program program that is dedicated to patient engagement or patient first interest. So these are fertility evaluation programs that you know,
You're just like right in the middle of that. I can see it in your eyes. It's just, it's spinning. It's spinning. It's gone. Yeah, I know. I just
Okay, guys, ready? Ready? All right. Let's talk about it. All right, the role play was CL talking to case manager surrounding cardiac services. What kind? Did anybody get real nice features and benefits? What'd you guys hear? Debrief me on your conversation.
Oh, okay.
nothing. My mind went blank in the middle of it.
That's okay. Okay, go ahead. Judy and Carol, have a good one. Tell us what you talked about.
She talked about the diagnosis of like the different cardiac patients, CHF and OCMI. She talked about as far as the different treatment team treating the whole patient, not just symptoms, and that as far as recovery to everything.
So she hit the features and the benefits, and you already in the diagnosis of the first piece she opened up. So that's really, does it help remember in this equation to open up with the diagnosis? That opens your conversation with that person. We're going in, we're learning about features now. We're identifying our need to go into our buildings and learn about our specific features pertaining to that facility that we're selling out there, and then to mention the benefits so they know what's in it for me, right? The WIFM, I know you've all heard of that. Okay, moving on, we're just gonna go back to ortho. Again, this is another important role play for us because we like those ortho patients. So we'll just switch over. Gabby's back, so the CLs, if you were a CL before, we're gonna switch you to the case manager, and the other side is gonna take over the CL role.
Oh.
So you can, yeah, you can say.
So I wasn't going to answer.
So again, the role play, the objective is to go ahead and sell the ortho program. You're the CL selling it to the case manager.
Okay.
Ready, go.
Hi. Nice to meet you. I'm Roz. Sure. So a lot of your patients that you deal with are how much do you know about programs that will help
I can tell you're just like, you don't look like you feel well. Yeah.
Everyone wants complications with your infection or so you guys did a really good job talking about, being able to get off the injections. Rarely, so you're basically asking maybe that 1 out of 30. Calls. So that's what I then thought, like, so what do you, let's say that's a situation. I'm a case manager,
Okay, how's everybody good?
20 days without money, I'm not opposed to
Okay, tell me a little about it. You had a good conversation. You had some great dialogue, great questions going back and forth, some messaging. Tim identified Judy and Carol.
We kind of messed up.
Okay, tell me a little bit about what you identified with each other.
She told me about the ortho program for post-surgical hip replacement, and then she told me about the features that, again, the IDT program that we have to take care of the patient in totality, and also she talked about the benefit of having the patient coming back with prior
And don't forget to probe each other for some little more questioning, because you're always looking to do that networking and in service with each other and find out what the next step is gonna be to try to grow that business. So, continue to probe and ask questions as you discuss these specific patients, because there's always more than one patient on an ortho floor, isn't there? Usually case managers assigned to a full ortho floor, so very good. Okay, Kevin and Cal, KK, they had something good going on here.
He did excellent. He said, remember last time when I was here, you were talking about the patients that we did. And then he told me that he asked if I knew much about their programs that they offer their replacement. And I said, I don't know, told me before. So he told me about their therapy programs and then, about their, their therapy for patients and their outcomes, how they get better fast and whatnot. And then he asked for the business and got 10 patients.
See that?
That's today.
And they were all Medicare. Very good. Okay, guys, hop back to your seat. We're gonna do one more group exercise together for you guys, and then give you a break. So what we're gonna do is we actually have 3 lines of services left to do. So we're gonna assign them to 3 different tables. So we have stroke. Who wants to do stroke? Yeah, no, you cheat. We can't. You guys can do stroke. We'll take coach. We can let you do one. You're my favorites. Group 2, pulmonary services. And then wound. Okay, guys, we'll give a few minutes and then we'll